So today is Sunday, December 17. We are celebrating 6 months today. We got married on June 17. Right now we're heading to a resort here in Montego Bay, Sea Garden Beach Resort. And I am going to take you guys along. We're going to be there for 3 days, including today. And so yeah, 3 days and 2 nights. So I think for today I'm just going to do like a little room tour when we get there, and then tomorrow I'll let you guys see like some of the activities that we might do, show you guys around. And before we start the room tour, so as you guys can see, they had a little happy anniversary thing for us, and the person that escorted us to our room, you know, made a nice little video for us to catch our real raw reaction. So I'll insert that so you guys can see.
Right, welcome to Sea Gardens, everyone.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary again, and thank you for making it Sea Garden.
We're happy to be here.
Open the door.
Happy anniversary to us.
Open.
There we go.
Go on then. What an excitement.
Oh God, feel really
Courtesy of Sea Gardens.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank
this is
you
how
so
we like
much.
to treat our persons. Go ahead, that's your balcony.
Balcony.
Overlooking everything from here.
You get
Patio.
nice view. Oh.
Right, courtesy of the Sea Gardens team.
So feel very, very welcomed, and the supervisor at the front desk says she watches me on TikTok. Period. Alright guys, so let's get into the room tour. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for the first part of the room tour, which included the bathroom and the closet, but I do have a clip with a glimpse of the bathroom, and I'll just tell you guys what we got in the closet. So we got an ironing board, an iron, and hangers, and somewhere that you can hang up your clothes. For the bathroom, we got a sliding glass door shower, toilet, face basin. We also got a trash can and some goodies that I'm gonna show you guys. So in this little tray, we got a conditioner. This is a shampoo. We got shower gel, 2 of them. We got a lotion. We got a facial bar, so that's like a face soap, and we got a body bar soap. We also got sanitary disposal bags. We're now in the actual room, and this is the mini fridge. We have water up there. These are the glasses. The fridge is not yet stocked, but we have water here. This is our TV. Over here we have a bedside table. Another bedside table is over there. This is the bed. That's our suitcase. So we have a king size bed, and that's what they did for us for our anniversary, our 6 months. So yeah, this is very, very cute. This is very, very pretty. And I also have this thing right here. Very nice. That is Babe right there. Babe shoes over there. Another bedside table. AC. Mirror. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. I am a photo shoot pose. This is a chest of drawers. So we have like, what, 7 drawers? Yeah. And that's just a chair right there. You know, if you want do a little work while you're here, you probably can just use this chair and just use this as a table, because I don't really see like a work table. So that's pretty much it for the room. And then we have the balcony, and on the balcony you have a little table, 2 chairs obviously, and this is our view, which is very, very nice. Love this. So we can see the pool, we can see all up there. This is so nice. I love this for us. That is the end of our little room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Next day.
Good morning. Today is gonna be our first full day. This is our view in the morning. I'm gonna show you guys on back camera. If my face look a little white, my eyelash come out. If my face looks a little white, it's because of the sunscreen. I got a new sunscreen and it's extremely hard to rub out. I'm just gonna bother. But yeah, let me show you guys the view. So this is the view in the morning. It's around almost 8:30. I'll probably try to get an earlier view tomorrow, probably like a sunrise type of setting. But yeah, this is what we are working with right now. And then this is me. I'm just wearing a shirt dress. Yeah, it's supposed to be an oversized shirt, but as you can see, I'm really short and I'm also tiny, so but just I wear it as a shirt dress, and I'm wearing it with these white sandals and just some gold earrings to accessorize. So yeah, this is the breakfast fit of the day. I'm not like this big off of my bad, but it don't look all that bad. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror. It's not all that bad in the mirror, you know, because me I feel lift my arms, so it just make it worse. Breakfast was good. Yeah, breakfast was really good. Babe went to the room to deal with something, so now it's just me out here. Yeah, I'm just wait on babe. I think today we're gonna like tour the place a little bit, see what excursions they have. We didn't come planning to do excursions, but we still want to see what they have. You know, if we see something that we might want to try and we can actually afford it, we'll probably just do it spontaneously. Yeah, so that's what's up now. This is how my background is looking. It matches with my outfit, complements my outfit rather. So we checked on the excursions, but most of them already left for today because they leave out like 9:45. It's now 10 o'clock, and they have some evening ones, but we just decided to skip excursions for this stay. We didn't really see anything that we really want to do like right now. We're just touring the place a little bit. We're at one of the bars, pool bar, and I have pool. This is like the fitness center. So if you want to do a little exercise in the mornings. So far we have pool bar, pool, fitness center, tennis court is somewhere around here. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the tennis court, guys, over here. Really nice. So our room is up there, guys. So this is the gift shop. We can get your beachwear, souvenirs, all that good stuff, and it's open from 8 to 10 p.m. Out here is the main stage for entertainment right here, and then you would just sit in these chairs. So right there is the main dining area. That's where we had breakfast this morning. That's where you get lunch and dinner as well. Mini Holland bamboo, guys. I guess here would be a nice picture spot. I'm not really taking any pictures though, cause I couldn't bother for accessorize outfits and all. These are the only pouch or purse me carry, and not just a few sandals. Out here is nice. So over there we have the beach. This is across the road now, guys. So we have the beach, we have a huge seating area out here. Oh, the water's so blue, so blue. Right here it started raining, so we went back to our room. I fell asleep, and by the time I got up it was time for dinner. So I'm just going to finish the tour now. So there is a bar and grill at the beach where you can get jerk, burgers, drinks, that type of thing. There is also a deli where you can get patties, ice cream, wraps, sandwiches, all of that good stuff that you see up there. There is also a hot tub that I didn't include yet, and there is also a disco, a circle disco. So that's like a club thingy for those persons who are interested in that. That opens from 10 to 12, and there is a bar connected to that as well with the same opening hours. In terms of entertainment, we did go to the session the first night that we got there, but I wasn't recording, so I don't have any entertainment footage. However, this is the entertainment board, so you guys can see the activities that they have there. I think that pretty much covers everything. And then we went to dinner, and we also went for a late night ride. Since we didn't get to do any excursions, we made that our excursion. It was really fun.
The following day,
we're home. Today was our last day there. For some reason my eyes are burning me. I'm not sure why. So if my eyes look watery, that's why. But I just wanted to give you guys like an overall review. By the way, today we basically, as I said, today was our last day. Checkout was 11 a.m. We basically just had breakfast, lunch, and grab a drink at the bar, kind of just chill around until it was time to leave. We left after lunch. It's around 1 o'clock now, even though we could stay on the property until 3. So my overall review of the hotel or the resort, we had a great time there. Their food is really good. I give them a 9 out of 10. There is always room for improvement, but their food is really good. Customer service is great. Their staff is very friendly. So it was just a good time. So I do recommend. I give them a solid 4.5 out of 5, like a 5-star review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you if you ever have to decide if you want to go to Sea Garden Beach Resort. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever been there, how was your experience, and all of that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, or if you haven't subscribed as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can see every time I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.